Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and today we're back with the 1982 Honda CX500 Turbo, and we're going to talk about how to go from this to this in less than 5 minutes. So guys, do you have a faded windshield that you just can't see through on your vintage motorcycle? Well, this guy did. And then I cleaned it up. Let me show you what I used. Headlight restore kit from Meguiar's. I'm guessing you could use any headlight restore kit you have. This is the one I have. It comes with this polishing pad, Plastic X. This is a sealant. It does come with two different wet sanding pads. I think one is 1,000, the other one's 2,000, that you can go ahead and use along with this guy. And then a sealant that you can put on after, kind of like a ceramic coat for it. I have gotten my money's worth out of this thing not using it on cars. I use it to restore all plastic. Side covers on old Hondas that are not painted, that are one color all the way through, that you can buff and that are super faded, you can use this, polish them back up. This is where it really shines. If it cleans a headlight, well, can it do that? Look at that. That's what this used to look like. And it was so quick and so easy. Let me show you how to do it. So this windshield's already cleaned. You know, I've pressure washed this thing a couple times and it's been wiped down a bunch. I'm just gonna squirt some of this Plastic X on it. And I believe you can buy this separately. You don't have to buy the whole kit. You can buy this or any plastic polish. This is not a sponsored ad. This is just stuff I have in the cabinet so it works. And then I just smear it around with my hands. Again, I am not an expert. Let's be very clear. Gonna grab the drill with the polishing pad on it and then just go to town. It may take 2 or 3 times to get it depending on how bad it is, but let's wipe it off. See what it looks like. Starting to see through it. I still have to do the other side, but we're going to do another run on this. Yeah, it's better. We're not there yet, but look, you can actually see through it now, whereas before, this is what we got to. Before, you could not see through it. So let's one more pass and we'll do the other side. That is 100% probably not the proper way to do it, but it's the way it got done. So let me know down below, what do you use to restore your windshield on your motorcycle? Keep it from being foggy. Okay, let's go back at this. light years better. Right? You can see through it. Now let's see if we can do any on the other side. I'll need to pick that up. Yeah, it's getting better. Oh yeah, that's light years better than what it was. And in case you can't remember what it was, that's what it used to look like. We're going to do the whole thing now. But that's what it used to look like. That's what it looks like now. Is it perfect? No, but it's way better than that. So let's go ahead and clean this sucker up. Much better. Guys, I don't know if you remember what it looked like, but it didn't look like this. That is awesome. Look, you can see through it now. This CX500 Turbo is only going to keep getting better. That's it. It's going to keep getting cleaner. It's going to keep looking better. Look, it's so clear. You can see our headlight restore kit that we used underneath it. Guys, this is awesome. Look how good it looks. So much better. It's incredible. So guys, there you have it. That's how you clean or restore or revive or renew your windshield on your vintage motorcycle in 5 minutes or less. Guys, I want to thank you for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. Do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day.